Okay, I got something to really share with you, especially if you're not feeling safe and you want to feel more secure with things around you right now. My name is Adam Shelton and welcome to this video today. And today I'm going to show you an area and a situation how you can feel more safe with this 5G. It's coming and it's coming fast. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel. So let me go ahead and play this video, just a little bit of this video about the 5Gs exposed, and then I'll go to the next page. And also, if you want to know more information what I'm talking about, click on the link below for you can go ahead and get access to the information that I'm sharing with you right now. Let me play a little bit of this video.
It's important to understand what the 5G is doing and what they say it's doing. We're told on the IEEE beamforming document that this technology cooked your eyes like eggs in World War II. And you all need to understand these are military weapons.
That's just a little bit about don't think you're safe, make sure you are safe. And right below this video, it get access to this information right now. I'm going to show you what the next page will entitle. So I'm going to put my email address in here, and this is exactly the same thing you will need to do when you get to this page. Now let me go ahead and say, yes, show me. I got an email address in there, and I'm going to show to the next page. It says, are you protected from 5G radiation? Are you? Do you have the EMF Protection Kit? Now, this is Discover Heal. Are you feeling safe with the EMF Protection Kit? I'm doing another video about this because I want to make sure you're feeling secure and you're feeling safe. Save 1 billion people from EMF radiation? Absolutely. Click on the link below. You get right to this page and you can see exactly what I'm talking about. Did you know this technology cooked eggs like eggs in the World War II? Check this out here. I play a little bit of this video. Remember I played a little bit of the video? I'm going to play a little bit more of the video and show you exactly what I'm talking about.
That's what you need to know. It's microwave radiation warfare. This is what this is.
And that's the video. That's the rest of the video. What do you think about that? I want to hear your comments in the comment line with how you really feel about that. Go ahead and put it in the comment line if this really got your attention about feeling safe with the EMF radiation and things like that, because it's all around us and it's more places than you really think. Basically, your children are more at risk. Your children are more at risk with this. This is another video. I won't play that, but you can watch this video, both of these videos right here, because EMF radiation may cause cancer. So definitely, that's something to really think about, especially going into the new year. And with everything that's going on, in this world, you want to make sure that you are feeling, you're feeling safe, you're feeling comfortable, you're feeling secure. And absolutely. So click on the link below for more information about that as well. Now, this EMF radiation today, this kit, it protects yourself and your family against harmful EMF radiation today. We have a kit here that can really that can help you with that area right now. And, just getting the kit, you can get this kit today. And I have this kit and I feel really comfortable. I actually have it, throughout my technology. It's good to have it in your technology. And the one reason why I was able to get this is because of this information right here. I did not know this until I ran across this one day. I ran across it. I was like, oh my goodness, we know I need to grab this. So I asked my wife, I was like, can we go ahead and grab this EMF, radiation kit? She saw this little bit of article that I'm going to read just a little bit to you just to get your attention. If you're not, if you're not into this, or if you're thinking that you're safe, you definitely want to read this right here. I'm going to read a little bit of it. It says, today's research indicate there may be significant damage from EMF radiation, including brain cancer from using cell phones. The danger is greatest for young people. They use cell phones to talk and send text messages all the time. And the more you use your cell phone, the more you're at risk. So when I read that, because I use my cell phone quite a bit on different type of occasions, and then a lot of kids and children uses that. So basically, I ordered everything for the house and some extras just in case, I need something for additional cell phone or for additional technology purposes. And when I read this, that got my attention, and I definitely want to get your attention as well. And this is another part that I got my attention. Did you know you are constantly being bombarded by EMF radiation? Now, many people think shielded bags, patches, and holsters for phones are protecting them. I used to think that too. I used to think that a lot. You should think that, you know what, I got a bag that's over this, or patch, or some type of holster that's checking my phone, that's like keeping my phone safe, keeping me safe. Those products really do not protect you when you are talking on the phone, and that's when it's more important. The only change the amount of radiation reaching you when the cell phone is in the bag or holster. As soon as you actually use this phone, they stop working, so there's no point in using them. That's something to really, really think about. How often do you use your cell phone? Do you use it for business purposes, personal purposes, or do you use it for leisure purposes? So that's something I got my attention. So I want like, you know what? I want to know more about this EMF radiation. Is a solution out there? Is it something that's going to protect me, my family, everybody else in the household? And I just kept really reading. I did research. Well, you don't even have to do so much research right here. This video and the information that when you click on the link below will give you the guidance and give you the direction what you need to do if you're feeling uneasy, you're feeling not safe and not secure. Now, studies have also shown that cell phones can heat your brain just like a microwave oven heats food. That really got my attention. I'm sure that got your attention. I'm gonna read that again. Studies have shown that cell phones that can heat your brain just like a microwave oven that heats food. Let that sink in for a minute. That's thinking about. That's really, really of a more of a mindset thinking that, wow, I did not really know that before. And it says your computer and television screens are also a source of EMF radiation. How many hours do you sit in front of them? Do you sit in front of the television, for hours at a time? Do you realize that that may not be as safe? Especially if you don't have the EMF radiation kits and something else that's keeping you safe. So it's not good to sit in front of a TV or microwave for a long period of time anyway. Now check this out over here. The electromagnetic radiation comes from, and it's all these different devices down here, cell phone all the way down to microwave and other electronic devices. So you can use this radiation kit for a lot of different type of devices around your house, even your car. And when you travel, you can definitely take this with you as well. And it's basically saying how easy it can be to keep yourself and your family safe from EMF radiation. Now, this kit here, we talked a little bit about it, and can help you get started. By clicking on the link below, you'll get access to this information, and then you'll feel a little bit more secure and safe, especially how things are in this war right now. We want to be as safe as possible, secure as possible, and all it takes is one tiny sticker. That's it. That's what this is, this information here. You can get the 3-cell protecting disc, or you can get the 4 EMF protect stripes or strips. So you can actually choose which one you want to get, and by clicking it below. And then also, one more did you not know? The Cell Protect disc is designed to protect you from potential harmful electromagnetic fields, EMF, which is kind of stands for, that you are surrounded and bombarded by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You definitely want to consider this. And there's more information I want to show you here. But this is a couple of testimonials, people that actually use this, and real people, real results. Check out these testimonials here that people have got this. I will read one here. Robin C. says, great protection. I have one on my phone and 2 on my laptop. I did the hair analyst, and it changed in a dramatic way to a much less exposure. This works in a big way. I recommend it to all my friends and customers. So she's got some really good results and feeling really safe with this device or with this kit. So definitely take this really seriously. Watch this whole video again if you have to, if you're not understanding it. And you more information, just click on the link below. You can get your EMF protection kit right now. Go ahead and order this and get this done because you want to keep your whole family and yourself safe as possible. This is the Discover Heal review over the EMF protection kit. And my name is Adam Shelton. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.